Now children, today is 28th of December. We have new task. The same is countable and uncountable nouns. At first I will divide the class into two groups. And the first group it is countable. And the second group is uncountable. Now, countable nouns have plural forms. For example, spoon, spoons, student, students. Countable nouns do not have plural forms. For example, it has singular and plural form. Snow, snow, floor, floor, jam, jam. Countable nouns are objects that can be counted as separate units using numbers. For example, 2 spoons, 6 students. Uncountable nouns are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. For example, we use quantifiable words such as much, some, or a little before uncountable nouns, before quantify them. For example, much snow, some floor, a little jam. Abstract nouns are mostly uncountable. For example, patriotism, courage, and laziness. The phrase how many is combined with countable nouns. For example, how many hill stations have you visited so far? Hill stations is countable nouns. The phrase how much is combined with uncountable nouns. For example, how much oil should I pour in the pan? Oil it is uncountable noun. The determiner any is used in negative sentences with countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, I have not bought any notebook today. Notebook countable noun. There isn't going to be any basketball practice today. Basketball practice it is uncountable noun. Now children, are you understand the rule that countable and uncountable noun? Балалар, не түсіндік балалар? Саналатын зат есімдеріміз сұйық заттар саналмайды, ал санауға келетін зат есімдер саналады. Өздігінен бөлінбейтін заттар санауға келмейтін заттар саналмайды. If you understand the rule today, if you understand, I'll give you the cards, please. Take, please. Now, please, Arjan.
Choose how much or how many question.
Choose how much and how many question, please.
How much cheese do you buy? Uncountable nouns.
Why uncountable?
Because cheese uncountable nouns.
Yes, cheese uncountable noun. Yes, cheese. Sanalmaydı olur. And
how many books are there in your boy? Countable noun.
Why?
Because books countable noun.
It is a countable noun. Books sanalmaydı. Yes, thank you very much. And you?
How many films did Tom see last week? Films countable.
Yes, films countable. Yes, thank you very much. And you? Asim? Listen to me attentively.
Countable nouns. Books, chairs, fingers, cars, games. Uncountable nouns. Time, meat, milk, jam.
Yes. That's right? That's right?
That's right.
Yes, thank you, Blossom.
Choose a, some, or any.
Yes.
It's a dog. A dog.
It is a dog. Yes.
Have you got some friends?
Some friends. It is a
My sister found a pen.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Uh-huh. If you understand the rule, who is say about the rule? Come on, can bala gelecek rule. No? I did it.
Countable nouns can be counted. For example, an apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
Yes.
Uncountable noun cannot be counted. For example, a rice with
A rice with and water. Yes. Bala sanamlar kızartısında su yok ya. Yani su, hava, yani kırış sanamlar. Yes. Sanalar ne yazılı? Alma.
Almalar.
Almalar. Yes. Thank you very much. Sit down. Now, if you understand, can stand the first countable noun stand up, please. Stand easy. And uncountable nouns. Now, if you see the pictures, you must write countable nouns in this. And the second group, write uncountable nouns, please. Be quick. Take the. That's down. Stand. Be quick. Be quick. Tағы да қайталана берсін. Қайталана берсін. That's right. Now, sit down. I have the general question. You sleep? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. And please, eyes are Please check out. Take it over. And up. Ағылшын. Екі топ. Так, әрқайсысы countable bilsin, uncountable bilsin. It is correct. Please, correct the mistake. Қате бар ма?
No, it is correct.
Countable nouns have no mistake. And you choose. Pasta. Now. Is that right? It is correct. And then salad, tomato, please. No, tomato. Now we can have fingers like that. Yes, olives. That's right. Sit down, please. Thank you very much. Sit down. And now, children, let's have a game. Quiz? No. That can be your woman management. Yes?
Yes.
Now, let's begin our game. Так, все просто.
A cup of tea is countable.
It is correct, yes. T is uncountable, but if you use with the measurement units, it is countable. Let's sit down, please. Thank you. The second, come here, please, Isaiah.
How many friends do you have?
It is correct. Friends are countable. Yes, sit down, please. Thank you. Then, Nurul, come here, please. So next.
Please give me some piece of cake.
Oh, that's wrong. Try again, please. Hadi lan.
Please give me a piece of cake.
Hey, en basit şey. Bir de doğru. It is correct. We can use an was. Yes, sit down, please. Thank you, Lumbo. Answer. I said, please.
How much money do you have?
Oh, it is correct. Money is uncountable. Sit down, please. Thank you. And Isaac, come here, please.
Which kind of chocolate is countable?
Yes.
Individual candies.
Candies. It is correct. Individual chocolate, candies, and kinds of chocolate flavors are countable. Yes. The next. Come here, please.
Chicken is a countable and uncountable noun. In which case is an uncountable noun? Food.
It is correct when we talk about the animal. It is countable. Yes. Sit down. Давай. Come here, please. Ағылшын, come here. Çok бара айтады. Давайте. Балар болды, иә? Sit down, please. Thank you. The lesson is over. Stand up, please. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.